All systems go for the Philippine Acceptable Disability Services Incorporated, or PAD's Adaptive Dragon Boat Team. To compete in the 9th Hong Kong Dragon Boat Festival on June 22 to 24, 2018 at the Central Harbor Front event space. The Cebu-based PAD's Adaptive Dragon team will defend the gold medal it won in last year's competition. This year, the team will not only compete in the PWD exclusive categories, but also in the open men category, standard boat, short boat, and the standard mixed category. Composed of paddlers with mixed disabilities like amputees, polio survivors, and deaf persons, the PADS team has grown from a team of 28 to about 44.
Pipilitin po nilang ma-defend yung championship sa darating na Hong Kong race na pinaghahandaan po namin. Yung assessment ko po sa team, ando naman po yung willingness ng team, yung puso po para manalo, para mabigyan po ng karangalan ang Cebu City, lalo po yung ating bansa.
Leaving those stones unturned, the team has been undergoing a rigid training with medical supervision from the staff of Maayo Medical Center.
We are 100% ready for the big race there in Hong Kong. By far, highly structured kayo ang atong program, from the nutrition to the strength and conditioning and to the boat training. And we were able to get the right coaches and trainers that will be able to guide the team sa this race going to Hong Kong.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
With the overwhelming support from private groups and non-government organizations and the entire Cebuano community, the PAD's Adaptive Dragon Boat team aims high. It is confident it can bring home the gold.
We are grateful to the local government units, particularly Naga, Mandaue, Cebu Province, and Cebu City for expressing their support for the PAD's Dragon Boat team. And particularly as well to the private sector, ING, most especially, Kaiser Medical, Manila Bankers, and MyTV. Because without them, I think the team won't be able to go to Hong Kong.
A day prior to the Hong Kong trip, a Holy Mass was offered.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, the Lord be with you. And also with you. So we offer this Mass for your safety, for PAD's Dragon Boat team. And we pray to the Lord that we will be victorious with this particular event, but most especially for you to be safety in this event.
Followed by the press briefing attended by the representatives of its media partners, MyTV Cebu, the International Marketing Group or IMG, Kaiser Healthcare, and Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation.
On behalf of Mr. Mariano S. Avila, I would like to call in Mr. Dante Luzon from MyTV channel. Our gold sponsor, ladies and gentlemen.
Mr. Bobby Avila cannot make it today because he has another important commitment. He has an ongoing taping in the studio. So I'm here on his behalf with my cameraman Joel Noel over there. Mr. Avila's overwhelming support to the team is traced on a certain degree of attachment because he has a sister who is a PWD herself. So that somehow strengthens the bond between him and the team. And at the same time, our president of the International Marketing Group, Kaiser Healthcare, and Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation, and MyTV, Dr. Joan de las Peñas, personally conveys his congratulations and his wish for you guys to bring home the gold in. We believe in your capability, we believe in your skills and your determination and the willpower notwithstanding your physical handicap. So, no doubt, we believe that you can duplicate the feat that you have achieved last year. Paragamo, you are all heroes in the true sense of the word because you are Cebu's pride. And it takes non-government organizations and private learning institutions to recognize that. And I still have to see our local government feels the same way. Now they support. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, that is very good. So guys, congratulations, and we wish you all the luck. This will be documented in Hong Kong on video, like Joel, who will be flying with the team tomorrow. This will be aired on MyTV. Again, if you watch MyTV, we've been airing the preparations. We covered the training at Mayo Hotel. Was it yesterday? The other day. So this briefing will be incorporated in that feature today until you guys leave for Hong Kong tomorrow. So once again, on behalf of Mr. Bobby Avila, also our President, Dr. De Las Peñas, ING Kaiser Healthcare, MB Life Insurance Corporation, and MyTV, we wish you all the luck. You will be champions again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dante Luzon from MyTV channel.